Mindanao. Good morning, world. This is the G7 News. Breaking news. Where is the Rondalia came from and what is its examples?
The rondalia is an ensemble of string instruments played with the plectrum or pick and generally known as plectrum instruments. It is originated in medieval Spain, especially in Catalonia, Aragon, Murcia, and Valencia. The tradition was later taken to Spanish America and elsewhere. The word rondalia is from the Spanish ronda, meaning
Four kinds of Rondalia: Octavina, Loud, Baudiunas, and Bandurria.
The octavina, or the Filipino octavina, is a guitar-shaped Filipino instrument with a timing similar to loud. Originally a Spanish instrument, the octavina was soon incorporated into other cultures, notably including Filipino culture.
Good morning, world. This is G7 News. My report is about Baudiunas. And what is Baudiunas? Baudiunas is an instrument that can have between 4 and 6 strings and is comparable to the double bass. Thank you, and good morning again.